have to get $10 per registration. Just go to the options, copy the link, and set your email. You will get $10 to your account if you register by this link. You will get up to $15,000 rewards, and all your money is protected. So let's talk about this crypto exchange. It's one most popular crypto exchange in Europe. You can trade here with cryptocurrency, with futures, have the spot trading, have the copy trading, have the staking, have a lot of promotions. You save a lot of money. For example, in stock trading, 0%. So you don't pay nothing of this, and this is very good choice. And we have only one exchange which give you chance to trade even without the passport. For now, it's one of the best exchange what we have it in the market. Here you can trade with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and other etc. And very interesting staking. Staking for new users, you can earn up to 100% per year. No one bank give you this percent. It's impossible. You can put maximum $200 and earn 100%. And very good for futures trading. Here have them. Leverage is 400, it's a maximum. For now, very good to trade. Who like the scalping, you can use this exchange. Don't forget subscribe to my Telegram channel. If you are a professional trader and you have very good volume, just write to the admin, show your volume, and I give you free VIP 2, and I give you very good discount for commission. So it's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, please like, and send this video to your friends. Thank you very much, and see you in next video.